What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner in the sand colorway. This pair dropped on March 26th for $80 US or $110 here in Canada, and the colorway for this pair or shoe or whatever you want to call it is just sand. So some people call this a clog, some people call this a sandal, but whatever it is, it's pretty controversial and it has the community pretty split in terms of whether you hate it or you love it. So these released alongside the moon gray colorway, but I really preferred this one over that one. And I got really lucky and I was able to grab this pair on Adidas.ca. So first off, here's a quick look at the box, and this comes in this very plain, very simple brown cardboard box. There's no loud Yeezy branding or Adidas branding on top, and all there is a size tag on this side right here. However, when you open up the box, we do have the words foam and runner printed in these bold black lettering. So the Yeezy Foam Runner is constructed out of a combination of EVA and harvested algae. So because that's all there is to this pair, it is very, very lightweight. The overall shape on this pair has a very interesting look to it. To me, it almost resembles like an alien skeleton and it has this very organic feel. So on the top, we have these slits, which ensure that there's a ton of ventilation on this shoe. And there's also these two oval-shaped cutouts on the sides of the toe box as well. Flowing along the side panel, we have 3 rows of additional ventilation. And then along the bottom towards the back heel, we have these 3 larger oval-shaped cutouts. On the back end of this pair, you notice how the heel protrudes outwards, and this helps to really lock down your foot in place. And to add to that, you'll see that the interior side of the shoe, it has a bit of this ribbed feel to it, which again helps with grip and ensuring your foot stays in place. On the bottom of this pair, you'll also see it has this ribbed look to it. And then finally, at the bottom, here we have your outsole, which similar to the rest of this pair is entirely constructed out of foam. We have this wavy traction pattern found from heel to toe, along with these indentations as well. And then on the very bottom of the back heel, this area right here is indented quite a bit, and we have the Adidas logo. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Yeezy Foam Runners. For those wondering how these fit, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me great. So overall, I'd recommend sticking true to size if you can. The one thing though is that this pair only comes in full sizes, so if you're in between sizes, then I'd probably recommend rounding up to the higher size. So if you're a 9.5, I'd go with a 10. If you're an 11.5, I'll go with a 12. Next up, in terms of the comfort, so overall, this is a very, very comfortable pair. So it doesn't really feel like there's anything on your feet, and the underfoot feeling was very soft and very plush. You can definitely feel that cushioning underneath your feet, especially on the back heel. There's a ton of cushioning back here and it feels very squishy and very soft. So if that's something you like, then you're definitely gonna love the feel of these. So with all that being said, now let's toss these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. Overall, let's be honest, this is a popular clog, slipper, shoe, whatever you want to call it, mostly because of hype. This is a very interesting looking pair, and let's just say if this was not a Yeezy collaboration, then I don't even know if these would be selling at all. Hype is one hell of a drug, so a lot of us are grabbing these because of the hype. I think if you're able to grab these for the retail price, all things considered, it is pretty cheap, especially when you compare it to the price of other Yeezys. But for me, there would be no way that I'd be paying resale for this pair. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this sand colorway and the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner. Between this one and the moon pair, which of the two do you guys prefer? And for those of you guys that are willing to rock these, is this only a retail or bust pair, or do you think it's actually worth the resale price? If you guys enjoyed this review, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. You can follow me on Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.